PAM Industrial Waste Systems. We build robust, reliable, easy to use and maintain fully automatic balers for the whole global waste market. Here is a short animation showing the baler's basic operations for our award-winning machine. Our hydraulic systems vary on pressure depending on the model you require. The hydraulic piston pushes and so compacts the waste material from the holding chamber, pushing it through into the channel. Once the baler has decided the right amount of waste material has been compacted in the chamber, the wire pushers then push through the baling wire to the tying and cutting side of the machine, which is, by the way, your preference as to which side we fit it to. And here you see an exploded view of the innovative tying and wire cutting system, all automatically controlled by the baler itself. All of our balers have Hardock steel fitted to the floors of the machine and also to the top and bottom of the push plate. Special wear pads are also fitted to both the top and the bottom of the push plate, which helps achieving our well-known machine's longevity.